In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money through Walmart. If you need to send money to someone quickly, Walmart can be a convenient option because it gives you access to a familiar platform and multiple delivery choices depending on availability in your area. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the general process so you know exactly what to expect before you begin. Start by going to Walmart using either the official website or the Walmart app. If you're on a computer, open your browser and head to the site. If you prefer using your phone, you can open the app instead. Both options are designed to make the process straightforward, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Once you're there, create an account if you're new, or sign in if you already have one. This step is important because your account helps keep your transaction history organized and allows you to review your transfer details later if needed. Take a moment to make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward. Next, enter the recipient's information carefully. This is one of the most important parts of the process because even a small mistake can delay the transfer or cause problems with delivery. Double check the spelling of the recipient's name and make sure all required details are entered exactly as requested. Accuracy here can save a lot of time later. After that, choose the delivery method. Depending on what's available, you may be able to select cash pickup, bank deposit, or a mobile wallet. The best option will depend on how the recipient wants to receive the money. For example, cash pickup may be useful if they need access right away, while a bank deposit can be more convenient for direct account access. If a mobile wallet option appears, that can also be a fast and simple choice. Once the delivery method is selected, continue to payment. Use one of the accepted payment methods shown during checkout. Before you confirm anything, review the full transfer details, including the amount, fees, and delivery option, so there are no surprises. Finally, save the confirmation details and tracking number. This is especially helpful if you want to monitor the transfer or if the recipient needs reference information when receiving the funds. It's a good idea to keep a screenshot, email confirmation, or written note of these details until the transaction is complete. And that's how to send money through Walmart. If you follow each part carefully and review your information before submitting, the process should be smooth and easy to complete.